Hello, my name's Ferd. I'm the CTO from Celladratus, and I have in here in front of me the new TestTool, which is a new tool designed by Celladratus to help installers do indoor signal survey tests, to help the installer to align the outdoor antenna to the correct tower. There are several modes in the TestTool. In this video we're going to discuss two of those modes, spectrum mode and cells mode. So using these modes I can understand what the indoor signal is like, and then using that information I can align the outdoor antenna towards the correct tower. So we can see here we have spectrum mode, and I can switch it to different bands. So this is band 8 and you can see the spectrum. I'm just going to press this peak mode and normal mode. So normal mode means the signal just refreshes every quarter of a second. Let's check out band 20. So if I want to see the peaks, I can press this button, peak, and it'll slowly build up the signal. And it's quite useful to use peak mode when you want to see the shapes forming. In particular, you want to see one operator's signal relative to the other operators. Now here we can clearly see that the 3 operator is about 10 dBs more powerful than the Air operator and the Vodafone operator. Now if I click cells mode and I wait for a moment, we'll see some of the cells appear. Now I'm looking at Vodafone here. Auto is very important. So what auto does is it says the test tool will choose from any of the bands the best tower. So here you can see in blue, that's the dominant tower that we are registered on. It's the most powerful tower. So now that we have our PCI for Vodafone, let's try Air. Now if we look very carefully, we can see there's a green bar and a yellow bar. So the green bar is the power and the yellow bar is the quality, and they're both reflected down here. So the RSRP, that green bar drawn graphically, and then you've the RSRQ, the quality, that's the yellow bar that's drawn graphically. Finally, I'm going to try out 3. Now I know here in Ireland I have to switch this to external. Okay, so I'm just going to do that and show you what 3 is like. It takes a moment to register. Here it is. So we can see here the PCI, the dominant tower is 104. So now we've got 3 pieces of information. We've got the PCIs of our 3 operators. These are our dominant towers in this area. The next step is to go outside or up on the roof with a directive antenna and find these towers. Thanks for watching.